Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a bullish engulfing trade setup. This is a really simple trade setup, and we're looking for a bullish engulfing candlestick to form at a good support level. Once we see a bullish engulfing trade setup, then we're looking for price to rise from there. So this is a bullish signal. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a bullish engulfing trade setup looks like and how to trade this setup profitably. We're looking at a bullish engulfing candlestick trade setup. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. A bullish engulfing candlestick is where we see a big green candlestick here. So in this case, as we can see, this candlestick is bigger than this previous candlestick. And if we were to place the green candlestick on top of this red one, it would engulf it completely. So that's what the bullish engulfing candlestick is. Basically, it engulfs the previous price action to the left of it. Once we get this type of a candle, that means the momentum has now shifted and we are likely to see the price go higher. So once we see this candle, we can enter our trade on the close of this candle. Another thing to notice here is that we are into this previous support and resistance area. Here, price had trouble breaking through this area, and now price is having trouble going through it to the downside. So resistance has turned into support here. Once we see this candlestick, we enter the trade long. Our stop would go below the pin here. We want to make sure we give the trade enough room to breathe just in case price comes and tests this level one more time. So we place our stop in the bottom here and we stay with the trade as the price moves higher. And then as we notice that as price comes into this previous support and resistance area, price starts to stall out. So for several hours, price is not able to move higher. Once we see this type of a price action, we know that the chances are price is not going to go higher. So this is a good time to exit the trade. After we see this pin bar, we exit our trade. From entry to exit, we get 96 pips in the trade. So just to recap, a bullish engulfing candlestick bullish engulfing candlestick looks like this. We see a big green candlestick in the opposite direction of the previous trend here. Once we see this type of candlestick at an important support and resistance area, we can take the trade long, and our stop needs to go on the other side. So here we have a pin, so we'll place our stop below the pin so that there's enough room for the trade to breathe. Once we enter the trade, we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. And once we see that the price starts to stall out here, price is just going sideways and it's not willing to go any higher, and we see this pin bar here, we exit the trade. From entry to exit, we get 96 pips in the trade. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to learn more about price action trading, I invite you to download my free price action cheat sheet. Click on the link below and you'll be able to download this free resource. And please feel free to share this episode with any of your friends who may find this helpful. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.